Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure with the 2026 Bimobile EX 462 Motorhome. A masterpiece of expedition design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both rugged capability and comfort. First, let's talk about the interior. Bimobile is known for its meticulous craftsmanship, and the 2026 EX 462 is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and thoughtfully laid out living area that balances utility with upscale finishes. The materials used throughout are of excellent quality, from durable leather seating to precision woodwork. The living room area includes a generous flat-screen TV, a premium sound system, and large windows offering panoramic views of your surroundings. The kitchen is built for serious travelers, equipped with modern appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, a refrigerator, and even a wine cooler for those who appreciate the finer comforts. The bedroom features a king-size or large double bed, offering restful comfort, and the ensuite bathroom is fitted with high-end fixtures, ensuring that even in remote locations, you retain the conveniences of home. Now, moving to the exterior. The 2026 Bimobile EX 462 motorhome is a rugged work of art. Built on an Iveco Eurocargo 4x4 chassis, it sports an imposing and aerodynamic profile that blends utility with style. Reports suggest it is offered with power outputs around 150 kilowatts to 205 kilowatts, or approximately 280 horsepower in its drivetrain options. With its bold, functional design, it slices through wind effectively, while retaining a robust, expedition-ready look. The exterior is finished with a durable metallic paint that resists the elements while making a statement. A large, retractable awning creates an ideal outdoor living space, and heavy-duty custom alloy wheels and rugged tires emphasize the vehicle's off-road DNA. The motorhome is built on a sturdy but engineered-for-weight chassis, enabling strong performance without compromising structural integrity. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Bimobile EX 462 motorhome is built to go far and endure. With its Iveco 4x4 chassis and robust engine options, 150 kilowatts to 205 kilowatts, or about 280 horsepower, it combines off-road capability with long-distance comfort. It features an advanced suspension system tuned for both comfort and articulation over uneven ground. Its transmission and drivetrain are engineered to shift smoothly and manage torque across all conditions. Additionally, the Bimobile EX 462 includes advanced driver assistance and terrain control systems, aiding navigation in tight passes or rugged trails. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Bimobile EX 462 motorhome is unquestionably a high-end expedition motorhome, and its price reflects its capabilities. The base price, as reported, for the EX 462 starts in the ballpark of 150,000 euros to 200,000 euros plus, depending on configuration, which is roughly in the $160,000 to $220,000 plus range, before custom options and import costs. It's not designed for budget buyers, but for those pursuing top-tier overland performance and comfort, it offers significant value. The price includes bespoke finishing, serious off-road components, and Bimobile's reputation for quality and durability. To sum up, the 2026 Bimobile EX 462 motorhome is an extraordinary blend of rugged capability, luxury comfort, and expedition-grade engineering. Whether you're planning a transcontinental journey or venturing into far-flung wilderness, the EX 462 delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.